Hey, what up everyone, doing eBay box break 109 1112 SP Game Used. Here's your last team that was auctioned off. Alright, good luck to everyone. And there's your serial number. This one. First off, rookie for the Jets out of 699, Paul Postma. And jersey silver out of 100 for the Canucks, Daniel Sedin, 33 out of 100. And base. Here we got for the Maple Leafs rookie Jake Gardiner out of 699. And for the Flyers jersey of James Van Riemsdyk. Base. Rookie for the Sens, Colin Greening, got a 699. And jersey for the Sabres of Thomas Vanek. And base. Come on, cards. Decoy on the back. And Rafael Diaz for the Canadians on the front, out of 699. Nice, and also here for the Senators, Stefan DaCosta, rookie gold, 19 out of 50. And for the Senators jersey, Daniel Delferson. Base. Rookie for the Stars, Skevior, I don't know, to 699 for the Stars. Colton, we'll call him. And here we got a significance auto for the Maple Leafs, Tyler Bozak, 28 out of 50. And base. Come on, patch in here. No. Got a rookie for the Wild, Brett Bloomer? What the fuck? Alright, for the Avalanche, got a jersey here of Milan Hajduk. And base. So, not the greatest box, but not as bad as I've seen. So, thanks everyone for joining. Hope to see you next time.